Welcome, coffee lovers. Tired of bad coffee when you're away from home? Here are the top 5 portable espresso machines of 2025. First up, the AM Chef Portable Electric Espresso Machine. It's powerful and super easy to use. Next, the Conquico Portable Espresso Maker, a fan favorite for its reliability and sleek design. Next up, the classic Portable Espresso Machine, timeless design with modern convenience. The fourth spot goes to the versatile Portable Espresso Maker, a great all-rounder for any adventure. Finally, the Steresso Portable Espresso Machine Compact, yet delivers rich, creamy espresso anywhere. Upgrade your travel coffee game with top picks from Amazon US. Only at 11mart.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great finds.